Hello friends, this is Mahesh Evilekar and you are watching Next Gen Mess. In this video, we are going to discuss method of variation of parameter to solve non-homogeneous linear ordinary differential equation. The standard form of non-homogeneous linear differential equation with the constant coefficient is an nth derivative of y plus an minus 1 n minus 1 derivative of y plus a0 y equal to rx. The general solution of non-homogeneous differential equation is y equal to cf plus pi. Here cf is a complementary function which is a solution of homogeneous part of differential equation and pi is a particular integral of non-homogeneous part of differential equation. Now here we are going to discuss the method of variation of parameter to find the particular integral. So method of variation parameter, the standard form of second order differential equation is y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy equal to rx. If y1 and y2 are two independent solution of yh, then yp equal to y1 integration w1 divided by w rx dx plus y2 equal to w2 divided by w rx dx. Here w is a Wronskian of y1 and y2 equal to determined y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. W1 can be generated from the w by replacing first column of w by 0 1. So determine 0 1 y2 y2 dash and w2 is generated from w by replacing second column of Wronskian by 0 1. So it's determinant y1 y1 dash 0 1. Now if we evaluate w1 then its value is minus y2 and if we evaluate w2 then its value is y1. Substitute that value in yp, then yp is in the form of minus y1 integration ry2 divided by w dx plus y2 integration ry1 divided by w dx. Now we are going to solve some example. Solve differential equation y double dash plus y equal to sec x. So first we are going to find the complementary function and for that we require auxiliary equation. To generate the auxiliary equation, we have to replace y by 1 and y double dash by lambda square. Then lambda square plus 1 equal to 0 is the auxiliary equation. The roots of the auxiliary equation is plus or minus I. These are the complex conjugate. Therefore, complementary function is in the form yh is equal to e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin bx. Here alpha and beta are the real and imaginary part of the lambda. So your real part is 0 and imaginary part is 1. Therefore, alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 1. Substitute that value in yh. So e power 0 is equal to 1. So solution is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now we are going to find particular integral. Now for the particular integral we required y1 and y2. So to identify the y1 and y2 we use yh, which is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So cos x and sin x will be the y1 and y2. Therefore y1 equal to cos x, y2 equal to sin x, and rx is right hand side of the differential equation which is sec x. So rx is equal to sec x. Substitute that value in w, w1, w2. Then we have w is equal to y1, y1 dash, y2, y2 dash. So cos x minus sin x, cos x. So is evaluation cos square x plus sin square x which is equal to 1. So w equal to 1. w1 is a determinant 0 1 y2 y2 dash. So 0 1 sin x cos x. So we have minus sin x and w2 equal to y1 dash 0 1. So cos x minus sin x 0 1. Its value is cos x. Now substitute that value in yp. Then yp equal to y1 equal to cos x, w1 equal to minus sin x, w equal to 1 and rx is equal to sec x plus y2 equal to sin x, w2 equal to cos x, w is equal to 1 and rx is equal to sec x dx. Now if we simplify, then minus cos x, sin x by cos x is equal to tan x. Now integrate, so yp equal to minus cos x, integration of tan x is ln sec x, sin x into integration of 1 is x, so x sin x. So this is yp for the given differential equation. Therefore the general solution is yh plus yp, which is y equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus cos x ln sec x plus x sin x. So the general solution of the given differential equation. Example 2. Solve a differential equation x square y double dash minus 3xy dash plus 3y equal to ln x minus 4. So first generate the auxiliary equation. The given differential equation is Euler-Cauchy equation. So auxiliary equation is in the form of m into m minus 1 plus am plus b equal to 0. Here a is a coefficient of x, y dash and b is a coefficient of y. So for the given example, a equal to minus 3 and b equal to plus 3. Substitute that value in the auxiliary equation. We have m into m minus 1 minus 3m plus 3 equal to 0. Now if we simplify, then we have m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Find the roots. M minus 1, m minus 3 equal to 0. So m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 3. They are the real and distinct roots. Therefore, complementary function is in the form of c1 x power m1 plus c2 x power m2. Here m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 3. Substitute that value. So yh is equal to c1x plus c2 x cube. Now we are going to discuss the particular integral. So first we identify y1 and y2. So yh is equal to c1x plus c2 x cube. So y1 equal to x and y2 equal to x cube. And Rx is equal to right hand side ln x minus 4. Now substitute that value in W, W1 and W2. We have W is equal to determined y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. So x, x cube, 1, 3x square and its value is 2x cube. W1 equal to 0, 1, y2, y2 dash. So 0, 1, x cube, 3x square. So minus x cube, its value. W2 equal to y1, y1 dash, 0, 1, x1, 0, 1 and its value is x. Substitute that value in yp. Yp equal to y1 equal to x, w1 equal to minus x cube, w equal to 2x cube, rx is equal to ln x minus 4 dx plus y2 equal to x cube integration w2 equal to x divided by 2x cube ln x minus 4 into dx. Now if we simplify, then we have minus x by 2 integration ln x minus 4 dx plus x cube by 2 integration ln x divided by x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. Now if we integrate, and after integration we have minus x by 2 x ln x minus 5x plus x cube by 2 minus ln x divided by x plus 3 by x. And if we simplify, then we have yp equal to minus x square ln x plus 4x square. Therefore the general solution in the form y equal to yh plus yp. So y equal to c1x plus c2 x cube minus x square ln x plus 4x square. So this way we are able to solve the differential equation using variation of parameter method. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of next gen.